Welcome to Power Concepts. In this video, we will get Excel to highlight specific information on a spreadsheet using conditional formatting. I'm going to start with this spreadsheet, which has some information already entered. These numbers over here, the salaries, are what I'm really concerned with. Let's say my boss always needs to know if anyone is making a certain amount, let's say more than $30,000. Instead of me having to search through this list for that specific criteria, I can get Excel to highlight them for me automatically. This is called conditional formatting. Since I'm focused on the salaries here, my first step is to select those cells. Next, on the Home ribbon, in the Styles group, click on the Conditional Formatting button. There are a lot of options in this menu here, but the one I need is right here at the top, Highlight Cells Rules. I can now see some pretty popular options on the right, such as greater than, less than, between, or equal to. Since I need to see all the salaries greater than $30,000, I should choose the first one, greater than. In the greater than window that appears, Excel has automatically picked a number for me, but that's not the one I want. I can just delete whatever's there and type in my number, 30,000. On the right, Excel is giving me some options for how I'd like my cells to be formatted. The default is light red fill with dark red text. However, I think I want a different color. From the drop-down here, I'm going to choose green fill with dark green text. Just click OK when you're done. Back in my spreadsheet, I can now easily spot those salaries which meet my criteria. In fact, if I change any one of these numbers, let's say this one here, to a number greater than 30,000, let's use 32,000, Excel will automatically format that cell for me. Now let's say you have all this conditional formatting, but you don't want it anymore. Simply head back to the Conditional Formatting button, and down near the bottom here you'll see the option to clear rules. You can clear the rules from the cells you have selected, or from the entire sheet. I'm going to choose entire sheet. Now my salary column is back to plain old normal. I'm going to select those same cells again to show you some other types of conditional formatting. Under that same conditional formatting button, we can see the top bottom rules. These will quickly highlight all kinds of useful information, such as a top number of items, a bottom percent, or above or even below average numbers. Continuing down the main menu to data bars, I can hover over the various options here, and I can see that Excel is giving me a nice graphic directly in my cells. And underneath data bars, color scales will shade your cells various colors depending on the values inside the cells. This last option in the menu, Icon Sets, allows you to represent your information with small pictures, which may have a positive, neutral, or negative meaning depending on your data. If I choose the first option here, the green, yellow, and red arrows, I can see that now in my salary column, a high salary, a large number, is represented with a green arrow pointing up, but a low salary or a small number is represented with a red arrow pointing down. If you are not sure which conditional formatting rules have been used on a spreadsheet, you can always check here under Conditional Formatting and down at the bottom with Manage Rules. The Rules Manager window, which appears, can show you the rules for the selected cells or for the entire worksheet. In the main area, you will see the rule or rules listed. You can double-click on any rule to see more information about it, such as the rule type and a rule description, including which icons are used, if any. I'm done with this rule window, so I'm just going to click OK. Same with the Rules Manager. If you find you are constantly searching for specific information in your spreadsheets, then conditional formatting may be a great feature for you to try out. Imagine all the time you'll save. Thanks for watching this Power Concepts video on conditional formatting in Excel. Don't forget to check out our website for more helpful videos, and have a great day.